This is an example of flip chart I would use in my classroom. So those flip charts already made by Discovering Blue, Holt McDougall. So those flip charts are very good because they go through the grammar. So I would project this in my classroom, and then the student would come to the board, the other student would take notes, and they would use a pen to do this exercise. So in this case, look at the subject, and the IR verb on the card says the correct form of the passé composé. So there is an oral element there, and then tap the card and check your answer. Okay, so the student would come, je choisis. So they would say orally, j'ai choisi, and then when they click on it, you would have the answer. Okay, so that's one of the example for a flip chart. If you continue to go down, there are other examples like this where the sentence is shuffled and they have to move things around. So with a pen, they would come on the board and they would just shift things around. So for example, here, they would have to build a sentence in the passé composé. Donc, j'ai fini mes devoirs. Okay, so that's one example as well. And there's a lot. And then, so this one is a generator. So you would click, so the student would come to the board, you would click on all of this, and they would have to write a sentence. So one of the students would write it on the board, on my active board, and the other one would take notes in their notebook. So, ma mère réussir, passé composé in the negative form. So the student would come on the board and write their sentence in the blank here. So that was just one example.